The guitar has over 5 attached to it and the roots may be traced back to string instrument. After a few shaping and cuts, there is a neck assembled and then tuner holes are drilled. A body has to be shaped. After the body assembled and is complete, that the neck is attached and then that the guitar is coated. Like any other instrument, its structure must be perfect. So the quality has to be constant. Musicians will be able to hear defects in. Martin is famous for detail, that's why it's a favorite and likely the most famous guitar brands of guitar, and also is used by a few of the famous names in music and its quality control. Jimi Hendrix, Bob Dylan, George Harrison, Sheryl Crow, Paul McCartney, Elvis Presley, Johnny Cash, and also Willie Nelson have used Martin guitars. Martin is famous for the durability of its tools. Whilst there is a Martin guitar of a quality, its strings are designed to last some time. By way of instance, that the Martin Phosphor Bronze has strings created from a metal that extends its durability past that of strings and gives clarity to it. What wood is used in making a guitar? Nearly always, rosewood is utilized for the back and sides of Martin acoustic guitars. The Martin D18 is composed almost entirely of rosewood. In the meantime, sprucewood can be used because it vibrates when it sounds, and also as that the wood ages, that the sap hidden inside it crystallizes, giving off a very bright wood. While ash is occasionally used, cedar is really the only other alternative for guitar tops. For example, the Takamine C135 is regarded as a good guitar for individuals just learning how to play. The Jasmine S35 Dreadnought can be for intermediate pickers.